How to use explosive arrowheads in Whiteout Survival. In Whiteout Survival, explosive arrowheads are a special combat item used to boost your damage during attacks, mainly in PvE events like Hunting Beast and more certainly the Bear Trap event. So you can find them in your alliance, that's alliance event, so it might be in your inventory. So first make sure you actually have the arrowheads in your inventory. So explosive arrowheads effectively raises the alliance hunting trap level, causing more damage to the raising bear. So in for hunting trap event or hunting trap level, it's used more effectively for the damage to the raising bear. So first make sure before you launch attack, look for above consumable options, and then you can simply attack them using those explosive arrowheads. And make sure first you have explosive arrowheads, and as well as the event where you can use the explosive arrowheads. So that's it for the video. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.